भगवान दादा, मेरे फादर इन लॉ ओम जी डायरेक्ट कर रहे थे और उसमें एक छोटे बच्चे का रोल था। तो जिस दिन उसकी शूटिंग थी वो 2 दिन पहले वो बीमार पड़ गया लड़का और सेट लगा हुआ था। तो मैंने कहा डैडी अभी क्या करें, सेट कैंसिल करें? तो बोलते नहीं, हम डुंगू से करवा लेते। मेरा डैडी डुंगू, मुँह खोलता नहीं है, वो चुपचाप बैठा रहता है। वो कहाँ एक्टिंग करेगा? पहले तुम उसकी बात छोड़ो, तुम देखते हैं। अब बाहर से मैं झांक के देख रहा था वो क्या कर रहा है।
ये क्या? सुनो भागता है और कहा तुझे मार लगी है।
जब ओम जी ने कहा एक्शन, वो कुछ और ही किस्म का लड़का निकला।
But Dugu was this very thin, quiet, shy child. I never remember Dugu being boisterous and loud and wanting to be the center of attention. He was very happy being quiet and in the background.
जब मैं अपने बचपन की तस्वीरें जब मैं देखता हूँ तो I can see that there is some posturing, always posturing. So I said there is something that I can see something in myself.
इस देश में एक तूफान आया था, तूफान का नाम था।
The movie is really nice. It's very good.
आपके सामने बोर्ड है, हाउसफुल जा रहा है।
It's a fantastic movie. Fantastic movie.
The award for the best debut male goes to Hrithik Roshan.
पहली फिल्म थी, so obviously you must be nervous, you must be searching things, finding things, and to come out as if 10 साल से वो काम कर रहा है फिल्मों।
When I saw it on screen, I was just like, oh my God, this is something else,
हम लोग को लगा कि नया लड़का है, क्या करेगा? We used to give him simple stuff to do. And then one day we were sitting and I told my assistant कि एकदम tough वाला sequence बनाना और उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे कि अभी तक को ये सीखना है। तो उसे चुपचाप ऐसे करके फॉलो किया and he did it actually better than my assistant and the joke was on us.
कोई डांस की कोई भी चीज हो, कोई कंपटीशन हो, कोई शो हो, अगर उसका कोई जज हो, उसे ऋतिक रोशन ही होना है।
Okay, best dancer. Who you feel? Hrithik is.
Hrithik Roshan is the greatest dancer of our country.
The God in dance.
I think the first time when I saw Hrithik Roshan acting,
that phenomena, I don't think I'd ever seen anything like this at the movies.
till then, as a kid, I also used to just seeing the Khans do it the way they do it, and then this new guy came and the intensity he brought to the scene.
तुम्हारे पास तो इतनी शक्ति। Yes, we need to go through this because I'm bloody going through this. तुम्हें शक्ति मुझे दे दो भगवान।
He's a superhero in Krish and he's a retarded boy in Koi Mil Gaya and he's convincing in both.
I would fly as an actor if I didn't have the burden of being a star.
He's raised the standard of acting in this country.
Life बहुत छोटी है दोस्तों. So go on, break the rules. Forgive quickly, kiss slowly. Love truly. And never regret anything that made you smile.
I think the most difficult phase was when I was 21. I had a slip disc at that time. That's my first slip disc.
My left leg is shorter. Yeah.
Doctors ने कहा था मुझे कि I cannot be an actor. I should not be an actor.
And I used to go,
And people would laugh.
and I used to stop. It's like, what am I saying? How can I be an actor if I can't even say I want to be an actor?
I remember that day. I saw my picture there, and it said, it was a black and white picture, and he said, finished. कि अगर मैंने जंप किया या डांस किया, then you know, in a matter of 3-4 years, I might be under the knife, and then 50 chance whether I'll be on a wheelchair or not. And
But he challenged everything.
I am a superhero. Bring it on.
Hrithik Roshan.
Thank you, Papa. This is because of you. Bang, bang.
Hrithik is eccentric, Hrithik is troublesome, Hrithik is difficult, but Hrithik is magical.
मेरी फिल्म आई थी साल 2000 में और तब से लेके अब तक का जो सफर है, it's been nothing less than magical, and it's been magical because of all of you, my fans who have inspired.
Because if someone like me can get this far, then impossible is nothing. Dream on, guys. Krish will see you very, very soon.